when did Wantable start sending shoes? There are shoes in here, or are they? I guess we'll find out. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Thanks for joining me and a Wantable unboxing and try on. Okay, let me just start by saying, if I am not looking at you and you don't feel like I'm talking to you, it's because I'm trying to figure out this new phone. Yep, my old phone, you could look direct, no problems at all. But the new phone, you have to kind of look a little bit to one side, and I want to see what I'm doing in the camera. So I don't know, we'll get through it, I'll figure it all out. But with Wantable, they have a styling fee of $20, and that $20 is applied to any purchase that you make from this particular box. Also, you get a discount if you keep, I think it's 4 or more items. You get a 20%, I think it's a 20% discount. I can't remember actually, but I will put it on the screen and let you guys know. All right, it's nice because they send you a list of photos of everything that is in your package along with the pricing. And if you keep, let me see if it says it on here. Oh, it's 5 or more, you get a discount. And is it 20% or is it, see, it doesn't really say it on this paperwork right here, but I will find out. Let's see, what else? Oh, okay, any returns are sent, they send you an envelope, and this one is addressed, goes through the USPS, but they also give you the option, they send you a UPS label, so you get an option, which I think is really nice. And let's see, I think that's it. I'm just gonna hold these up real quick. The information will be on the screen. It will also be in the description. So if it's something you would like to request, then you have all the information. So let's get started. Okay, I'm just gonna take the first item off the top. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that looks small. Yeah, the COVID little weight. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's stretchy. I like it, it's cute. I like the gathering with the string on the one side here. It's black, which of course I like. It feels like a thin, I don't think it's cotton. I don't think it's more, I don't know what it is. So let's just move on. I'm not gonna guess. Oh, t-shirt. I love my graphic tees. Is that AC/DC rock and roll? Okay, that's nice. Oh, this whole camera thing's got me flustered. What's this? I guess it's just something you have to get used to. This is SUPPLY, nice t-shirt. Looks like it's got the crisscross on it. So dark gray, nice. Ooh, jeans. What are these? MAVI. These are the Catherine high rise slim boyfriend. Do these have stretch? You know what? I think, who is it? I think it was Nancy Rounds was talking about the MAVI jeans that she really, really liked. So these look like they will fit me. They've got stretch, so I'm pretty excited about these. I like the wash on them. So those are promising. Oh, here's the shoes. Okay, they're boots, or not boots, what are they? They're slippers. Aren't those cute? Oh, I like those. These will be nice for around the house. They've got the rubber sole bottom. It's like a mauve with those hearts. What are those? No, they could be, I don't know. It looks like they're just lined right here around the ankle. It's kind of like a sock thing. I like those. Hope they fit. What's this? Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's a dress. Yikes, a dress. Looks like it's nice. It feels great. Sweater, cow neck. Okay. I don't know where I'd wear it, but it's cute. Oh, this is nice. Very pretty. It's thick. Wow, that's pretty big. I like the cream trim on it. Oh wait, I think Nancy rounds. Nancy, did you get one of these also? I think you did. And I think you mentioned that you would have liked it with black or something on the trim. I think, maybe I'm wrong. All right, let's get to the try on. Okay, let's start with this top. It is a little snug for this girl right now, but I love the style of it. It is by ACOA. I'm not sure who that is. They say it's an asymmetrical, but I'm not sure where that's at actually. Do you guys see that? I mean, it looks like on me, that it's, I don't know. What am I missing? Maybe it's a little shorter on this side. It's hard to tell. But anyways, I love the style of this top. I think it is more like a sweater, but it's a very thin sweater. I like just the simplicity of it. And I love the ruching on the side here. So this is, you could make it tighter or you can make it shorter, tighter, shorter, longer. I'm not gonna undo it because this is definitely not a keeper. I think it does go up on the side. I guess it's got some ruching here also. I feel sucked in, let's just put it that way. But it does not look, it's not good with these jeans because you can kind of see the top of the denim here. Okay, so I like the length of it though. I mean, I just like, it's just a nice simple top. Okay, the jeans. The jeans are nice. They do roll down, so they are longer. They're high-waisted. They're a thinner jean. They are the 5-pocket. I'm on the fence. I think the price will determine how much I like these or not. So when I roll them down, they are a good length. I don't know. The crotch feels a little saggy, but I think that's just because they're a thinner type of denim. So, I mean, I think they'd be great for just, you know, wearing around the house in the spring or whatever. I don't know. I think the price will determine. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, this is the shirt by Z-Supply. It is just like a t-shirt with a crisscross in the front. V-neck. It's a little low for this girl, but I love the style of this. I know the crisscross has been around for a long time and it's bound to fade out, but I still like the look of it. I don't know, depends on the price. I might end up keeping this. I like the length of it. It goes up on the side, longer in the back, cover that booty. Okay, it's nice and it's soft. It just fits really well. So, I don't know, I kind of like it. What do you guys think? It's a nice shirt. AC/DC by Z-Supply. I don't know if it fits really well. I like it. I like that it's just a nice simple t-shirt with a little bit of graphic on it, so it gives it a little something. It's a great length. Feels like it's got some stretch to it, which is nice. Now if I pair it with my strawberry jacket cut from the cloth, let's see what that looks like. Gives it a little something. Brings the gray to life. I don't know. It works. Kind of nice. Okay, let's see what's next. This is pretty cute. This is by HAYDEN, Los Angeles, I think is who it's by. It is very, very soft. I like the print on it. It's very comfortable. It's got a great length. This would look great with black leggings. Yeah. Okay, I don't know, I kind of like it, but it's kind of, I feel like I'm being swallowed up in it. I wish this had a little bit of shape to it. It just feels like a lot of extra material. Yeah, it is the drop shoulder. I think it's really cute though. I think it would look better if it was a little more fitted, or if this just wasn't like just hanging here like this. Otherwise, I think I would like it a lot more. I do like the cream trim on it, and with it being on the sleeves, I don't know, it's pretty cute. I think price will determine if this is going to be a keeper or not, and the care. What kind of care does this take? No, it's kind of cute. Okay, let's try the dress on. Okay, this could be really cute, but it's a little too big for me. This size medium, and I normally ask for a medium because it is, the smalls are too tight, usually in the hips. This one gives me plenty of room for the hips. The sleeves are a little long, but I can roll them up, not a big deal. But they don't have a finish hem. See how they roll? Which I like. I think it's kind of a neat touch. Also, you've got the same thing for the hem on the, around the bottom of the dress. It's boxy. You guys know, for the most part, I do not like boxy. I wish it had some shape, and maybe it would if it were maybe a next size down. It does have the really nice cow neck here, and then the buttons going down the sleeve here. I kept thinking that because of it being boxy, that maybe it would have some pockets, but there's no pockets in it. Oh, there's a seam right here. Didn't even notice that. And it's in the back, same thing. But yeah, and it's scratchy. It's very scratchy. And I think it said hand wash. I can't remember the material on it, but when you say hand wash, and this is really scratchy. Okay, let's do a real quick review. If anyone has any tips for me with this camera, please let me know, because it's so weird. I'm off my game here because I want to look straight at the camera so I can see what I'm doing. But see, I'm looking straight now, or I need to look a little bit off this side to my left. And then am I looking directly at you now? It's so weird because my eyes want to keep going straight. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. Okay, so enough of that. Let me show you, let's see, this dress, this is definitely a no because it is very scratchy. And let's see, it is $67.50. It's a Harlie dress in black. It's a size 6'8". So, which normally would be a good dress for me, a good size, but it's just too boxy and it's very scratchy. Oh, I want to show you the booties, the slippers. Okay, these are $40. They're the Raquel slipper in oxblood, size medium. They're too big, and these are not going to work for me because of the sole. I didn't want to try them on. I mean, I tried them on, but I didn't put them on for you guys because they're attached right here. But these are size medium. I wear size 7. They're a little bit big, but that's probably okay. But because of the hard sole, they hurt my feet because I need a bend because I have high arches. There's no bend in these. My slippers have to have some flexibility. So unfortunately, these are gonna go back. They're $40. Let's see, the jeans. I'm on the fence. These are the MAVI Catherine Boyfriend in mid feather blue, size 28. They're $88. $88 seems like a lot for these because they're just really, there's no, what I want to call, what am I trying to think of? Where they kind of suck you in. They're just, you know, well, they're probably relaxed because they're boyfriend jeans, maybe. I like the style of them. I just wish they kind of sucked me in a little bit. The good thing about these is I could throw these in the dryer, no problem. None of my other jeans have been going in the dryer lately. So I'm kind of on the fence. What do you guys think? I mean, there would be a nice, easy pair of jeans that I could wear around the house because they are light. Because a lot of times when I settle down for the evening, if I have jeans on, you know, they're all, you know, the skinnies or they're tight around the legs, then I need to take them off. I mean, I'm going to tell you, there have been times that I have stripped down sitting on the couch with Mike at night. All of a sudden I stand up and I take my jeans off. And he's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm just uncomfortable. They're just too tight. Okay, this sweater is really, really cute. This is really cute. But what is this? The Leopard Mohair Pullover Sweater in Ivory. It's a small, $69, but this is dry clean. Dry clean. So and it's kind of boxy. If I loved it, I would keep it, but I don't love it. Not for $69. Actually, I think the prices are pretty good with this box. Okay, this sweater top, what is this? The Asymmetrical Ruched knit top in black, $49. This is a size small. I love the style of this and the ruching on it, but it's just too tight for me right now. Normally, this is my style. I would grab for that in a heartbeat. Okay, I think this is Z Supply. Yes, the Crossroad Tee in black, $36. I mean, black, it kind of looks like it's black. It says black. I'd say that's gray. Yeah, because the dress is black. So I'd say this is gray. I don't know, I might keep this. I like it. It's versatile. Yeah, I don't know. I think I might keep it. Okay, the ACDC tee, it's really thin. It's a really thin material. Look at that. By Lucky Brand, $39.50. I don't know. I mean, I like it. I mean, I wasn't a big ACDC fan, so maybe that's why I'll say no, because I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, you know this dress is a no. It's just, I can't wait to get it off. So it looks like I might be keeping the jeans. I don't know. And I might keep this shirt. I like it. And that's really probably it. Everything else will go back. So I got to figure out this camera. I'm sorry, you guys, but thanks for watching. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.